Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google sign and page on your Samsung. Enter the email address you use with the account. Once done, tap Forgot Password to trigger Google's recovery flow. This is how Google verifies identity without revealing the current password. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and have your recovery phone or email accessible because Google will send codes or prompts. This step starts the secure reset process rather than exposing the original password. Next, follow the verification options Google presents. You'll see choices like a text code, an email code, or a Google prompt on a linked device. You should pick the method you can access right now. Often the Samsung phone receives a prompt that you simply approve. If Google asks for a recent password, enter the closest one you remember. That helps prove ownership. If you set two-step verification, grab your Authenticator app or backup codes to complete verification and proceed to reset. Finally, create a new, strong password and confirm it. Google will not reveal the old password, so resetting is the secure route. Make sure the new password is unique and updated in your Samsung settings and any password manager to avoid future lockouts. If verification fails, wait a few hours and retry the account recovery flow because rate limits protect your account. As a troubleshooting tip, use Samsung Find My Mobile to access the device or retrieve linked account.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.